is how to grow your TikTok and generate new video ideas with Chat GPT. I need help generating ideas for TikTok videos that will help grow my account. I have an online business that sells science toys for kids. It's called Eureka Science Toys. Before we begin, I want you to ask me 10 questions about my business and anything else you need in order to provide me with the best possible responses. When you have read my responses, please confirm. You are ready for the next prompt. Now, ChatGPT is going to ask me the 10 most pertinent questions in order to better understand my business. Do not skip this step. Now I'll take a minute to go through and answer those questions. Now ChatGPT knows about me and my audience. It's time for the next prompt. I want to increase your followers and engagement on TikTok. Please provide me with 10 ideas for TikTok videos. They should each be approximately 1 minute in length. They should be highly engaging, fun to watch, and not salesy. Provide a brief description with each idea you suggest. And just a few seconds later, ChatGPT has given us 10 topic ideas for videos. Let's try number 6. I like number 6. Can you give me 3 specific ideas for this topic? By breaking down the tasks like this, we get a lot more control over the final result. This suggestion about magnets looks good. Let's break it down even further. I like number 1. Please give me a basic script outline with 3 different ideas for engaging opening hooks. And a few moments later, we have our final result. And of course, you can go back and have it create more scripts from other ideas that it also suggested.